Onions are one of those ingredients you use in just about everything, which makes cutting them an essential skill to master. Want to learn how to slice, dice, and mince an onion like a pro? We're going to cover 3 simple techniques that will help you handle onions with confidence. First up, dicing. Start by cutting off the tip of the onion. With the flat side down, cut the onion in half from root to stem. Make horizontal cuts parallel to the cutting board using the pressure of a flat hand to secure the onion in place. Stop the horizontal cuts just before getting to the root so your onion holds together as you continue cutting. Stabilize the onion half using the claw technique, then make vertical slices across the onion. Rotate and repeat to achieve a nice and even dice. When the onion becomes too hard to hold, rotate the onion to cut around the root, getting the most out of your onion. Set this aside to use for stock. We recommend storing in a fresh and safe bag or a container in the freezer. Dicing in uniform pieces will help the onion cook evenly in your dish. Next, let's slice it up. Place half of the onion flat on the cutting board, trimming off the root and stem. Position the onion to slice vertical strips from end to end. Hold the onion in place using the claw technique as you slice thin strips. When you near the end, set the largest flat side of the onion on the cutting board and carefully finish slicing. These slices are perfect for pickling or adding to salads. Lastly, mincing. Start with cutting off the stem, then cut the onion in half. Make thin horizontal cuts without slicing all the way through the root. Rotate and make thin vertical cuts. Rotate again and continue to make equally thin cuts to create the finely minced pieces that are so great for sauces and dressings. Now you're ready to tackle any recipe that calls for onions with confidence and precision. So grab your knife and get cooking.